Hi, this is Vadim. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from start to finish together. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me share with you how to move Word images and pictures freely after you insert them. I have this 3-page Word document which I'm trying to add pictures to. To insert an image, you select Insert in the ribbon and then select Pictures, or you can just drag and drop them from File Explorer. Here's the problem though. By default, Word inserts pictures in line with text, which makes them behave like oversized characters that can't be freely dragged. The fastest way to fix it is click on the picture properties and switch to any floating wrap style, for example square, tight top, bottom, behind the text, or in front of text. Now I can drag my picture freely and position it exactly where I want it. Here's another important setting you need to select in the same dialog box. If you select the image, select Properties. You need to decide if you want this image to move with text or fix the position on the page. If you fix image's position on the text and then cut the text, image stays in the same position. You might wonder what's the difference between image wraps in Microsoft Word. Square wrap is the most common. It has clean margins, consistent behavior, and best for business docs. If you choose tight or through wrap settings, text hugs the image outline. And the coolest thing in this mode is that you can select Edit Wrap Points. For example, if I select the image, change the wrapping style to tight or through, I can go to Picture Format, navigate to Wrap Text, and select Edit Wrap Points. You see a red outline with small handles appear around the image. This is the text wrap contour. And the best thing, you can drag the points to reshape the contour. You can add a new point. Just click anywhere on the red outline to insert a new handle and then drag. Or you can delete a point. Just Control-click a handle or drag it into a neighboring point to remove. There are some specialty wrapping styles as well. For example, if you select top and bottom, image will be on its own line, which is ideal for banners and callouts. If you choose in front of text, you will have maximum freedom. But keep in mind, it will cover text, so use it sparingly. And if you select behind text, it's good for watermarks or backgrounds. Just make sure to ensure readability and contrast, which can be adjusted in image properties.